Good morning, children. I hope you are ready for the exam on Monday. So, as per my promise, I am ready with the instructions I wanted to give. That day, all at a time, you had lot of revision work, which I explained you on 24th. So, I wanted 24th, yeah. I wanted to not to mix all at a time to make you confused. So that I kept this for today. What explanation of about the paper pattern. I'm going to explain how your paper pattern will be. Understand? So the one thing I want to tell you, you are going to take A4 size paper, writing first date, your name, class, section, everything, subject, etc., and draw a line here. Then down you start writing. So you will be having question paper on your mobile, so that you are going to write carefully. Read the questions. Maybe same like paper it is. You as you get on your exam day in the school, same way you are having. That will be in the form of paper. Here you are having printed matter on the mobile in your group. So only thing you have to do is read it carefully and write well. How will be the paper? Already I gave you model paper also. Even then, and I explained it also in the beginning before starting my revisions. But today again I want to remind you all about the pattern of the paper. So first you are having, I can call it model paper, right? Model paper. So first bit will be question answers. You are going to get only very short question answers, one line answers. Understand? You may get direct from very short answers from the lesson and complete the following 30 bits total you got. From those 30 bits also someone very short answers you may get. So I want you to be thorough with those 30, complete the following, because you are going to get match the following from it, correct the wrong statements from it, you are going to get complete the following from it, you are going to get write the name of a person or place of the event related to the given event you are going to write. And what else? Sort out you may get. Understand? And tick the right answers you may get from it. Understand? So these are all things you are going to get from complete the following. So they are very, very important for you. So first bit will be question answers for 5 marks. 5 questions you will get 5 marks, one each. Just one line answer. But the thing is, you are going to write very correctly. Question and answer, both you write. You are going to write both question and answer. For 4th class, just now I explained, but I forgot to tell about writing question. If you have your brother or sister in 4th class, please inform them also to write question also before writing answer. So, question, then answer you are writing. Okay, then second bit, I think define the following you may get, or you may get name the following, whatever it is. 3 you are going to get, or you will get a choice also in question answers and this. They are also just like one line answers, you can write them well. Then correct the wrong statements. I already told you, I am going to give you the statements in which one word will be wrong, all other thing is correct. Understand? But in your what to say, complete the following, correct only we got. From there also you can learn, means it is good for you. Correct the wrong statements also, you may have 4. Okay, 4 marks for it. Then 4th one, you may have flow chart. I have already given you 2 flow charts. You have to do it, you will get 3 marks for it. Options will be given, easily you can choose and write. Then 5th one, you are going to have name the following. Fifth one, you are going to get name the following. Fifth one, you are going to get name the following. They are for 5 marks. 5. So 2, I will ask. You are going to write just the names, not the complete sentence. Okay. Then match the following, which you are going to get from complete the following. Again and again I am telling you. Understand? As you do in the class, same way you have to follow here. It will be for 3 marks. Answers you are writing down. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, like that you are going to get. Here A, first one A, or C or D, like that. Whatever is correct you are going to write it. Then next bit. Then you don't think that same bit order will be followed. Bit order may change also. That is not a problem. Only you have to read the given headings and answer. That is more important. Okay. Then pick the right answers. Pick the right answers. Here you are going to get 3 marks. Understand? Then 2 options will be given. In 2 options, one is right, one is wrong. So you are going to select the right and tick it. Next, complete the following, which you have already got the revision. From that only all these things will be given from that only. So please be aware of it. You complete the following lo nunche tick the right answers, match the following, correct the wrong statements. These 3 will be from this. Okay. Then you are having diagrams. I have sent 2 diagrams. Some are having textbook, some are not having textbook. For that purpose, I have sent in a group diagrams also. Practice both, you will get 2 marks for it. You do with bandwidth. Then last bit is places, persons and events. Places, persons and events. Events will be given. You have to write the name of the place or a person. Understand? Related to that topic. And lastly, answer in a word you will be having. Answer in a word. 1 word answers you have to give. Just in a word you have to answer where you are going to get 4 marks. This is the pattern of your paper. Again I am telling, this order may change. It cannot be the same. Just as how I remember, I am going to note it on the board. That's it. I don't know in which way, which pattern they are going to give. This is what is the paper pattern. These are the headings you are going to get. Answer the following questions. Here you may get 1 question extra. Answer any 5 of the following questions. 6 questions will be given. Please read the heading properly. What you are supposed to do, you will understand. If you read the heading, you will understand what you are supposed to do. Then you do the needful thing. You are writing both question and answer. Next, define the following. Wherever you get define the following, write the word given, answer it. And give space properly on your paper. Correct the wrong statements, which you are going to get from complete the following. Complete sentence you have to rewrite again. Rewrite the sentences by correcting them. Or like that you will get the heading. Complete answer you are writing, then only full mark. If you are writing only the word which is wrong, half mark you are going to get. I am telling you that also. Flow chart. 6 topics given one by one, half of mark for each, because we are just choosing from there itself and writing. Then match the following. This pattern you are following, which we have in our school always. Pick the right answer, which you are getting from complete the following. Read the question, read the options properly, which is right, tick it. Complete the following as I gave in the class revision, same way you are going to get. Then diagram, I recently sent it to you. Places, persons, write the names of the persons or places related with the given events. Understand? For example, C root is discovered by dash. Person discovered. First letter will be the hint for it. Clue for it. Answer clue. First letter is given. You have to complete it. Then you have to answer in a word. This is the pattern of your paper. Hope it is clear to you. Only thing you have to do is read the headings very carefully. Then read the questions carefully. Write the questions for every bit. I am telling. Write the questions for every bit. Only direct answers are not allowed, because I too don't have question paper in front of me to see, check and give you the marks. That's why for everything, correct the wrong statements, you are writing question. Define the following question answers. Flow chart, subheadings you write, answer you write. Name the following also. Question you write, under it you write the answer, words only. Match the following also, A and B, both you are writing and answering. Tick the correct answer also, questions you write, A and B options you write, tick it. Complete the following also, complete question you write, dash your answer. Diagram you do it clean with a pencil. Diagram you are doing with a pencil. Places and persons you know how to write. Just like fill in the blanks, only the difference is answer clue is given in the form of first letter of the answer. So keep in mind all these things. Question, one word answers. You write the question and its answer both. This is how you have to answer the question paper. Hope it is clear to you. Only thing is, if you write correctly, neatly, you are going to get full marks. If you write very neatly but spellings are wrong, you are going to lose. Or you write very correctly but handwriting is dirty also, at random I am going to cut the marks. So keep everything in mind, try to do it properly and well, carefully. If keep the mobile in front of you and do the work, or you can connect it to your TV also. That is also one more option now we have got with our smartphone and LEDs. That also you can do. Write well, do correctly. So all the best for you for your exam. Hope you will do very well. You are not disappointing me. So all the best, children. Thank you.